We're starting off with a super high tide. You can see the tide going right over the seawall. Coming out of Rotting Guns. Got the guys, Leon, Adrian. Got a late start today, but it's the day after 4th of July. The guys are hung over. We'll see what we can make happen today. We've been here 2 minutes. Adrian's already on. This first one. Nice jack. Lunch break already, guys. We got out here late. Feeling a little hungry already. Nice ham and cheese from Everglades Co. Mira nomás. The redfish. Adrian's on. First snook. There you go. Got him on that gulp. Put him in the boat. Nice snook, guys. You see him, Adrian?
Guys.
Oh yeah. Nice one, buddy. Can you see him? All right, guys. Just got a first hit on this one. Got a mollet chunk. He took it. Guys, we got something good. Yeah. No, he's still on. Something small. It's a snook.
What is it?
It's a snook. Small one. Get him, Elian.
Check that bait.
There it is, guys. Look at this, guys. Got him on the ladyfish. We won't get another one right now.
Finding that something big, guys.
Come on. This is a real one. This is a real one. Get the net. Yeah. It's a real rod.
What is it?
Snook. Get him, get him, get him. Oh yeah. Look at that.
That's a nice one, guys.
That's a nice 28, 30-inch snook right there, guys.
Oh yeah.
Let me see. Swallowed it? Let me just cut the line. Let me see. Oh damn, guys, he swallowed the hook. It's better just cut the line, let him live. Let's get a measure on him real quick though. Watch out, Dan.
I think it's gonna be 27.
26. 26-inch snook, guys.
A nice one.
Look at it. It's nice. This is what you call being on. This is what you call. Oh yeah. No, this is a real one right here. Elia, move your line. Get the net, get the net. Oh, this one's a better one. This one's a better one.
Right behind you, man.
Get ready with the net. Get ready with the net. Get ready with the net. Ah, it's a chingo shark. Mira.
Give me the pintas, I can get it.
They're right there on the floor of your feet. Be careful. Ahí está. Elian's finally on. Elian's on.
There's biting everybody. Come on.
Get the net for Elian. Get the net for Elian. Is it a good one? No. Yeah. He got off.
I think it's needed.
Alright guys, fourth one. Got him on the ladyfish head. Damn, shark again. He just let go of the whole thing. Perfect. Nice, easy release. Got the head back. Come on, guys. This. Elian, get the net.
Take a picture with it.
Just cut it off right there, right before the hook. Let's see.
There's a lot of shark here. That's a nice one for a fish tank. I wasn't. I didn't get a picture of that.
Hold on, let go, let go. No, you're holding him wrong.
How do I hold it?
You gotta squeeze him on top of his head. Mira, let me show you.
There we go. Here, let me hold the rod.
Hold on.
Get them muertos de la chinga.
No, he's already loose. Hell no, he's gonna get my hand. No, he's gonna bite you. He's gonna bite you right there. You better not throw him at me.
Wait. Looks like without.
Yeah, that's not the way you hold him. He's gonna bite you.
How do I hold it?
Throw it. Yeah, ching.
Where do I throw it? Oh, right here.
I'm getting away.
Look at Elian.